dropkick here. I'm going to do a quick bike check with my new bike. It's Premium Broadway 2012. Got mechanic hollow track chain in blue, Alien Nation black sheep back rim, lace 2 just like a regular stock hub. Got Premium Reviews resist tires. Pretty nice, pretty nice. Got this, I don't know, that's the only thing I don't like about it. Stupid plastic seat. You got Premium Slim PC pedals, sealed. Pretty nice. I got the Premium Sub 10 V2 stem. Mostly, this is like one of the things that are aftermarket on it. Most, like the Deviant front rim comes with it. Lace to it regular. Hub. Got Primo Boy grips. Nolan Vortex bar ends. It's a pretty nice bike. So what the back rim sounds like, if you want to hear it. Pretty nice. Kind of loud, but yeah, it's my bike check.